The draft non-deposit taking credit providers regulations of 2025 will help restore trust in the digital lending service by the public. Tala Kenya General Manager Stella Mumbi believes the new framework will improve services, streamline digital lending and address emerging issues.
We've seen customers actually saying of their top 3 or 4 considerations on choosing a lender, one of them is being licensed by central bank. And that becomes a signal of trust, a badge of trust for any company that is under the mandate of the central bank. And I would say regulation in itself, especially now that we're having non-deposit taking regulations, will help to bring everyone under the same ambit of the central bank and create a standard of operation.
So it's been very open and collaborative, and that discussion has molded the draft version that we are seeing right now. We've had several rounds where we've engaged especially the central bank, and they've also told us where they're coming from, because the mandate of the regulator, of course, is to ensure there is that financial stability and consumer protection.